शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
Good morning students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to a new revision class. In this class, we will discuss the substance and question answers of the last part of the topic, A Letter to God. Let's first discuss the substance of the topic. Describing his plight and requesting God for sending him 100 pesos, Linko wrote a letter to God. He needed 100 pesos to sow his field again and to live until the new crop came. He put the letter in an envelope and wrote to God on the envelope. Then walking to the nearby town, he went to a post office and dropped the letter into the mailbox. First, a postman got the letter in the post office and showed it to the postmaster, laughing heartily. In his career, he had not seen such an amusing address. The fat and amiable postmaster also at first broke out laughing, but realizing Linko's faith in God, he became serious and decided to answer it, not to shake his faith in God. Opening the letter, when he read it, he understood Linko's helpless condition and wanted to help him financially. He requested his employees and friends to give some money as an act of charity. He also contributed a part of his own salary. In this way, he could collect only 70 pesos. Putting the money in an envelope with a letter in the name of God, through the postman, he handed it to Linko. Next Sunday, when Linko asked in the post office if there was a letter for him, the postman gave him the letter. He had such a confidence that without showing any reaction, he received the money. But after counting the money, he got angry. He went to the window again and bought some paper and ink, wrote a letter, the second letter, on the public writing table, wrinkling his brow, and put the letter in an envelope. Licking a stamp, he affixed on the envelope with a blow of his fist and dropped it into the mailbox. Immediately the postmaster brought the letter from the mailbox and opened it. He got surprised. There it was written that, God, I got only 70 pesos. Please send me the rest as I needed it badly. But not by mail, as the employees of the post office are a bunch of crooks. Let us now discuss some important questions and their answers one by one. First, how much money did Linko request God to send him in his first letter? Can you guess the answer? It is 100 pesos. Now come to the next question. What did Linko write on the envelope? Is the answer? It is to God. Next question. How did the postman react to Linko's letter to God? The answer is he laughed heartily. Let's move to the next question. What was the postmaster like? The answer is fat and amiable. Now come to the next question. What faith? Whose person is this? The answer is postmasters. Now come to the next question. Why did the postmaster decide to answer Lincoln's letter? The answer is not to shake his strong faith in God. Next. Who did the postmaster ask for money? The answer will be his employees and friends. The next question. How much did the postmaster contribute for Lincoln himself? The answer is a part of his salary. Next question. What did Lincoln ask in the post office on the next Sunday? The answer is if there was a letter for him. Now come to the next question. Who handed over the money to Lincoln in the post office? Your answer will be the postman. The next question. What was the postmaster doing while Lincoln was receiving money from the postman? The answer is experiencing the contentment of a person who has performed a good deed. Now move to the next question. How much money did Lincoln get in the envelope given to him in the post office? The answer is 70 pesos. The next question. Where did Lincoln write the second letter to God? The answer is on the public writing table in the post office. Now come to the next question. How did Lincoln affix the stamp on the envelope? The answer is with a blow of his fist. Now come to the last question. In which words did Lincoln blame the employees of the post office? Your answer will be a bunch of crooks. So students, in this way we complete the topic, a letter to God. Read the topic and try to form some extra questions and answer them yourselves. In our next class, we will discuss a new topic. Till then, goodbye, stay blessed.